Hello mga ka-winners! Biglang nagkaroon ng lindol kanina, kaya ginamit namin ang rules na drop, cover, and hold. Nandito kami sa ilalim ng lamesa, nagtago at nag-aantay ng further announcement kung kailan kami pwedeng lumabas.
Ang mga empleyado nasa ilalim ng lamesa, nagdadak.
Announcement. Earthquake belt intensity 1.9. There is no need to evacuation as assessed by our facilities and ERP. We may continue our normal operation.
Ayan mga ka-winners, may announcement na kaya lalabas na kami.
Okay, survive earthquake. Palakpakan.